In this video, you'll learn how to sell photos on Stan Store. This guide explains how to create a digital product listing for your photography, making it available for customers to purchase and download. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Look for the section labeled My Store in the main menu. Click on this option to access your store management area. Once you are in the My Store section, you will find an option labeled Plus Add Product. Click this button to initiate the process of adding a new product. After clicking Plus Add Product, a menu will appear with various product types. Select the option for digital product to specify that you are selling a digital item. This selection will direct you to the product details page where you can provide all necessary information about your photo product. In the provided field, enter the product name. Ensure that your title includes the word photo or photo pack. For instance, you might use a title like landscape photo pack to clearly convey what you are offering. This helps potential buyers understand the nature of your product at a glance. Next, write a description for your product. This section is crucial for informing customers about what they will receive. Include details such as the type of photos, like landscape or stock images, the number of images included in the pack, and the file formats available, such as JPEG, PNG, or ZIP. A well-crafted description can enhance the appeal of your product. Now, set the price for your photo pack. Choose a price that reflects the quality and quantity of your images while remaining competitive in the market. After establishing the price, proceed to upload the photo files. You can upload individual images or a zip file containing multiple photos. Make sure that the total file size does not exceed the limits set by Stan Store, as larger files may require more time to upload depending on your internet speed. Once all the details are filled out and the files are uploaded, look for the button labeled Publish. Click this button to make your digital photo product live on your store. After publishing, customers will now see a digital product page for your photos ready to buy and download. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.